Hello, welcome back to Lesson 7. Please relax. There is no need to memorize anything. Just listen. Let the words come to you slowly and naturally. You're doing very well. Let's begin. Here are the 12 words for today. Just listen. No repeating yet. Before, after, early, late, again, always, sometimes, often, never, today, tomorrow, yesterday. Good. Now we'll say the same words together. Please listen and repeat these words after me. Before, after, early, late, again, always, sometimes, often, never, today, tomorrow, yesterday. Very good, nice and calm. Now, listen to some very short sentences. You can repeat them if you like. Before now, after work, early today, late again, always here, sometimes tired, often busy, never late. Today I learn. Tomorrow I learn. Yesterday I learned. Again tomorrow. Good. No rush. Now listen to a short, gentle story using the 12 words. Yesterday I was here. I learned English yesterday. Today I am here again. I learn English today. I arrive early, not late. I always try. Sometimes I feel tired. Often I feel good. I never stop. After today, I will rest. Before tomorrow, I relax. Tomorrow, I will learn again. Now, let us listen to the words one more time. Before, after, early, late, again, always, sometimes, often, never, today, tomorrow, yesterday. Excellent. Okay, that is all for today. You did very well. Relax, take your time, and I will see you for the next lesson. Well done. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.